Hi friends, this is SP Davalkar from Creative English School, Beat Road, Nipani, Aurangabad. Friends, in the studies of mathematics, you should have basically perfect knowledge of different parts in compass box and their uses too also, their names. So today before we are starting mathematics of 8th standard, quadrilateral constructions and types. Even if before that we have one more chapter, that is altitudes and medians of triangle. At these two chapters we need compass box. Why I am basically introducing the parts in compass box and their uses, because a few years before a girl came in 10th standard for admission. I asked her, can you name the different parts? She told it as a triangle, this as kharkata or something. Means she was not well known about the different parts of this compass box and their uses. So today I have done the figures also. This is scale. The small which students use is the compass box. Small box, and it contains one ruler. Ruler in the sense scale, which is used for measuring distance, length, height, etc. Second is pencil compass. That is pencil compass. This is one sharp needle edge is there, and another is there for fixing pencil. Then next is pencil, and as I told you, this is set square. This is used for measuring angle, drawing perpendicular, or especially drawing perpendicular. There are different uses. Step by step I will tell you. This is divider. This is also here for measuring the distance between the 2 points. Then protector. Protector is looking like D. Some children say that it is D. It's not D, it is protector. Then sharpener. So these are the minimum things we need in compass box. Either you have to solve the quadrilateral construction and types, or altitudes and medians of a triangle. So here again I will show you practically, as I have brought the big compass box with me. So I'll ask you, Nipun, what is this?
Protector.
This is Tanish, protector. Correct. What is this?
Pencil compass.
This is big pencil compass box. Pencil. This is big pencil compass. This much is not in your compass box. But here instead of pencil we can put here big chalk or
Big marker.
big marker also. Very good. So protector you understood. What is this?
Ruler.
Ruler or scale it is. This metal pins are lost, but this is
Divider.
divider. and these two are
Set squares.
set square. I'll show you perfectly. These two are the set square, not triangles. So in this manner, you are well introduced about different parts in compass box. Thank you and have a nice and great day.